Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to delete people on Snapchat. Deleting someone on Snapchat can be necessary for various reasons, whether you want to declutter your friend list or remove someone you no longer want to interact with. So let's dive right into it. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your camera screen. Now swipe right to access your friend list. Here you will see a list of all your friends on Snapchat. To delete someone, simply find their name in the list. Once you have found the person you want to remove, tap and hold their name until a menu appears. In the menu that pops up, select Chat and Notifications setting. Now you will see several options. Tap on Clear from Chat feed to delete this person from your friend list. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your decision. Tap on Clear to confirm. And just like that, the person has been removed from your friend list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.